Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video we'll talk about the Salesforce get messages show skip message. Alright, so this is our demo project here, and let's take a look at our pages. So we have a product catalog page, and onto this page we're mapping from a Salesforce get, we're mapping the products directly from Salesforce. So let's take a look at our get. So we're getting a product, and we're using, if there are multiple matches, pull up to 20 records. Obviously we can change this to a higher number. And what we want to happen here, for instance, if there are multiple matches, then we want to say skip. Don't do anything. Just only if there is one record, then return the results. If there is more than one record, depending on our condition, we want to have a skip. And when we want it to skip, we can tell Titan once we skip, we can show a skip message to the user. So we're just gonna show that in just a second. Before then, let's take a look at our published site. And I'm gonna click product catalog, and that will return all the products within our condition. So let's take a look at our get again, and edit it. And what we will do here is, if there are multiple matches found, pull, then we're going to skip. And let's see our condition. So our condition says that the product code starts with 11. When we saw that, return us a bunch of results. Alright, we're going to head over to messages, and here is our show skip message, and we're going to say skipped more than one result. And we're going to configure the button and say got it. Wonderful. And I'll show you what this button does in just a second, where we'll see it on the published site. So let's publish this guy and launch it. Now when I'll click product catalog, and here's our message, custom message, skip more than one result, and we'll click on it and it closes the window. Now let's just see how this looks like when we get one result. So I'm gonna go back to that. I'll alter my condition to say that the product name starts with this guy right here. We can do equals, and we'll hit apply, and that should return just one result, and then we're not going to see the skip message. And here it is. Since we got one result, the result wasn't skipped, and hence we have success, no skip message. And with skip messages, you can also see it in the integration logs. Whenever you have, whenever you chose to skip, then it will show you in the integration logs an error. You will see product get products. This is our description on the get, and it tells you multiple matches found, blah blah blah, with your condition. So our condition was where product code like 11, limit 20. Alright, let's take a look how to customize that message box. So if I'll head over to project, and I'll click style, and in here I'll head over to project level elements, and to the Salesforce messages, we can customize this, saying, let's say we want to change the field to something like that. And you can obviously customize the button, the fill color, and the font color, etc. Let's apply this, and let's make it skip again. So we'll go back to the get, edit this guy, and we'll head over to the conditions, and we will say product code starts with 11 dash we'll apply this. Now we'll skip, so since there are more than one records that meet this criteria, and we will head over to our product catalog, and here it is, and here is our customized skip window. And this is how it's done.